Hi everyone. Today I'm showing you how to do a faux fishtail braid in less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested in learning how to do this style, stay tuned. So we are about to begin our faux fishtail braid. I know how to do a regular fishtail braid, but sometimes it's just too time consuming and I don't have all that time, but I do want to style my hair. So for this style, you will need some clear rubber bands like this. You can get these from your local beauty supply store or corner store like CVS or Walgreens. I am going to wear my braid to this side. You can pick either side, that's your favorite. And so I just brush out my hair. I put a little pomade on my edges. It's still going to be a little loose, but that's fine because we're going to make it slightly messy. So what you do is brush it all to one side, and then you take two pieces from underneath and bring them to the top. So you're kind of like that middle is locked. Take one of your bandies and wrap it twice. I don't do it 3 times just so it's not too tight. So now that it's wrapped, make a little space and flip the tail through and then pull it tight kind of. The next one, go under, and you're going to do the same thing. Take 2 pieces, bring them together, put your bandy on it, make a small hole in the middle, and then flip that tail through, and then pull it tight so that it covers the top one. One more time. Make your hole, flip your tail through, and you're going to do this until there's no more hair left. This literally is a 5-minute style. It's going to take a little bit longer just in this video so that I can show you, how to do it properly. Sometimes I'm tired of, weave and, the boring, just straight out style, or the wash and go with just some waves. It looks so boring. And if you just style your hair, it could add so much life to your outfit, to your face. It makes you look a little bit more put together versus just waking up and going. It makes it look like you gave some effort to your style. So especially, this is a really cute style if you're going for a job interview. It just makes you look more polished if you style your hair. And weave extensions can get so boring if you don't do something, to your extensions. Like sometimes I get so tired of my own hair and I wear extensions all the time. I do have healthy hair, but I enjoy extensions. It's fun, easier to change your styles. So I'm not against it, but I think that you still have to put some effort into styling your extensions. You shouldn't just, look blah. Um, so I'm almost finished. I have a few more sections to go. And already you can tell, you can see that my braid is coming out super, super cute. I keep saying braid, but faux fishtail. A braid is technically when you use 3 pieces. So this is, again, a faux fishtail. These rubber bands cost me like $2 for 1,500 of them. And these are not harmful to your hair at all. And then that's it. So now that you have that, now you kind of want to separate them a little bit, fan them out, hold it, and pull each side to fan it. This is going to make it slightly. And then this piece over here, I usually just bobby pin it because it's a little more than I like hanging out. So I'll just bobby pin it in, and there you go. You have a whole faux fishtail braid. And if you want to get really, really spicy, you could take a back end and wrap it around that last rubber band piece so that it can't be seen. But there it is, up close. In less than 5 minutes. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and tell a friend. All right, thanks, bye.